The Supreme Court embarks Monday on what could be an extraordinarily controversial term, with its justices on the defensive, its actions and structure under a political microscope, and abortion the most divisive issue of them all taking. Before the term ends next summer, the justices will have weighed in on three major public policy disputes: guns, religious rights, and possibly race, if the court takes up a request to once again review affirmative action in university admissions. Another change on the court is possible. Justice Stephen G. Breyer, 83, nominated by President Bill Clinton, faces increasing pressure to retire while another Democrat is in the White House and the party has a tenuous hold on the Senate, and a presidential commission on the Supreme Court, taking testimony on the court's power and proposals to add seats to the court, limit justices' lifetime tenure and require more transparency, is due to report to President Biden next month. The spotlight will be shining brighter on the court this term than perhaps any other since Bush v. Gore in 2000, said Pratik A. Shah, a Washington lawyer who argues before the Supreme Court. And the background for it all will be the issue that has vexed the political and judicial branches for decades. Republican-led states and anti-abortion activists are asking the court to overrule the constitutional guarantee of abortion it established nearly 50 years ago in Roe v. Wade and reaffirmed 20 years later in Planned Parenthood v. Casey. The narrative of the term, said Jeffrey B. Wall, former acting Solicitor General for President Donald Trump, will rise and fall with the court's decision on Mississippi's law banning almost all abortions after 15 weeks. Lower courts have not allowed the law to take effect. If the court actually is prepared to overrule Roe and Casey, what it does on guns and affirmative action will be relatively minor wind in the sails, Wall said at a recent preview of the term at the Georgetown Law Center. The bold request in the Mississippi case comes before a transformed and evolving court, with three new justices, all conservatives chosen by Trump, added in the last 4 years. The push by Senate Republicans to confirm Justice Amy Coney Barrett before the presidential election last fall gave right-leaning justices a 6-3 majority, and the ambitious agenda in her first full term on the court sets the stage for remarkable change.